Have you ever wondered what would happen if the Earth, our spinning blue marble, just stopped, not forever, not for an hour, but for a single solitary second? It sounds like the plot of a disaster movie, but the reality is far more terrifying than anything Hollywood could dream up. Let's explore this mind-bending scenario together. Right now, as you're watching this, you, me, and everything on the planet's surface are hurtling through space at an incredible speed. At the equator, we're moving at over 1,000 miles per hour, or about 1,670 kilometers per hour. We don't feel it because everything around us, the atmosphere, the oceans, the ground beneath our feet is moving along with us. It's like being in a car cruising smoothly down the highway. You only feel the motion when the car suddenly brakes. So, what happens when that brake is pulled on a planetary scale? Imagine this. The solid ground beneath you lurches to a dead stop. But you, and everything not bolted down, would continue moving forward at that same incredible speed? It would be the most catastrophic whiplash in history. Anyone and anything on the surface would be instantly flung eastward. Buildings, trees, cars, animals, and people would be swept off their feet and sent flying at the speed of a bullet. The force would be so immense that structures would be torn from their foundations and shredded into pieces. It would be a global scale, high-velocity demolition. But the real chaos would come from the oceans. Like the water sloshing in a cup, you suddenly stop moving. The Earth's vast oceans would surge forward. Unstoppable tsunamis, miles high, would scour the continents at supersonic speeds. These mega waves would wash over everything, traveling far inland and obliterating entire countries in mere moments. No coastline would be safe. The sheer kinetic energy released would be unimaginable, far greater than all the nuclear weapons on Earth combined. The friction from this event would generate an immense amount of heat, igniting global firestorms that would consume whatever wasn't already destroyed by the initial momentum or the subsequent tsunamis. And what about the atmosphere? It too would continue its motion, creating winds more powerful than any hurricane ever recorded. We're talking about wind speeds that would strip the very soil from the ground and create a worldwide storm of debris. The friction between the moving air and the now stationary ground would create so much heat that the air itself might ignite, turning the sky into a blazing inferno. After that one terrifying second, the Earth would resume its rotation. But the world it would return to would be unrecognizable. The planet's surface would be a chaotic, burning, and flooded wasteland. The initial jolt would likely trigger massive earthquakes and volcanic eruptions on an unprecedented scale as the planet's crust adjusts to the sudden stop and start. The sheer devastation would mean the end of civilization as we know it, and likely the extinction of most life on the surface. So, the next time you feel the gentle breeze or watch the sunrise, take a moment to appreciate the silent, steady spin of our planet. It's a delicate cosmic dance that makes life possible. A single misstep, even for 1 second, would mean the end of everything. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? Our existence hinges on this constant, reliable motion. Thanks for joining us on this thought experiment. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of what if, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another exploration into the cosmos. Let us know in the comments what other cosmic questions you'd like us to answer. Until next time, stay curious.